sorry very much. But there is something that I must do. I have to go, but I promise I will be back.
Mama, do you really have to go?
Yes, Jonah, this is the only way. Look out into our fields, we have no more cow to plow and carry our grains. Even in the marketplace, we have no more cows to buy. I must go, and I must turn to a cow. I promise when I come back, I'll help plow and carry the grains for you. I'll still be here with you.
But Mama, it won't be the same. Let me go with you.
No, Jonah. You must stay with your father. I promise your father will bring me back as a cow. Remember what I taught you throughout the years, okay? You must be courageous and persevere. You must be thankful, kind, and forgiving. I know you're strong, Jonah.
Mama, Mama, don't go, don't go. La 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 la
Over there, I heard a girl singing. I saw her. She was over there.
Are you sure? I didn't hear anything. There's no one over here.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything either. That's because you guys were too busy fighting over your fish.
Maybe she's in there.
Hello? Hello? Anyone home?
See? No one's here.
I saw her. She was over there, singing.
Are you sure?
What did she look like? Well, I only saw her back. It seemed like she had long black hair and had something like a cape on.
That sounds like it could be a ghost. You know those scary stories that old people always talk about?
Yeah, the stories that have ghosts with long black hair, right?
I don't know, but all I just know is that I saw and heard a girl singing from over here.
Come on, Shana, let's go. You're probably just not to eat because you're tired. And it's even late. I don't want us to get in trouble, especially by your dad. Come on.
Come on, Shinon.
So hot! I'm tired, my feet are hurting. Me too. I'm thirsty and hungry.
I have a little piece of my rice cake left over. You can have it if you want.
Ew, no way. I don't want any leftovers.
It's all your fault, Jonah. You gave all our extra rice cakes to those dirty orphans back there.
They look so hungry. I didn't have anything to eat.
Always trying to be so nice to everyone all the time. Now that we're hungry and starving, what are you going to do about it, huh?
We can cook when we get home.
You mean you can cook. I want fish for dinner tonight.
Ooh, fish for dinner sounds good. Looks like Jonah's going to catch some fish for us.
But I've never fished before. Father usually goes fishing. And I don't have anything to catch the fish with.
Well, you better figure out something fast because it's getting dark soon. Since this is your fault, we're going home without you. Don't come home without fish. Didn't you hear what Mother just said? Stop following us and go get us some fish.
Yeah, Jonah, hurry up and start fishing. I'm super hungry, so make sure you bring me back a big catfish.
Make that 2 catfish.
I need something to catch the fish with. I need a stick. And there. Not only is a living food from the fish.
But I don't see him anywhere.
Hey, is it just me, or does that girl look like she's trying to fish with that branch?
Yeah, it's a girl, man. Let's go see if she needs help. And if she's cute. Not for me, I know for Shana. You know, his father's been trying to find a wife for her for the longest time now.
Yeah, I know. Hi, we were just passing through and we wondered if you needed any help.
I mean, are you trying to fish with that thing? Because if you are, you're not going to catch anything.
Yeah, this is all I have with me.
Here, use one of ours.
No, it's okay.
I don't think she knows how to use it.
Of course she does, right?
Well, in that case, we'll show you how it's done. We're professionals, and you see those, just watch. When they bite, all you have to do is pull as hard as you can. Don't let go, okay? You got one. Pull it. Put it in. All the time. Don't let go.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Try again.
Seems like they're not hungry anymore. And it's also getting late, so you could just have some raw fish.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we have plenty. And you can keep the bucket too.
I can pay you. I don't have money right now, but I can pay you later when I have money.
No, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Ooh, I know. How about a date with our friend Shana?
What?
He said, have a nice day, friend. See ya.
Oh, okay, you guys too. Thank you for the fish and bucket. Oh, Mama, even though you're here next to me at home in a calm home, I still feel alone. I just wish to be in your arms and just hear your voice sing to me. I just wish to be in your arms, Mama. Hey, little ones. Here you go. I just have a few bites left.
Hey, wait, come back. You guys, remember that girl that I saw singing here a long time ago?
Nah, why are you talking about that girl?
Oh, I remember the one with long hair in the cave, right? I'm telling you, she's a ghost. She put a spell on you, Shana. All this time you're still trying to find her. No, she's not a ghost. I know she isn't. There has to be a way to find her. I mean, you can listen to all the girls in the village sing, right? That's right, all the girls can't sing. I'll persuade my father to host a singing competition at the Mo meter. Then we can find her.
Wait, what if she doesn't sing at the New Year?
Yeah, what if she doesn't sing? Then there has to be another way.
Wow, Shana, you're really serious about it, aren't you?
No matter how serious you are, you better hurry. Because, you know, your father's trying to find a wife for you.
My beautiful daughters, I just heard the most wonderful news. There's going to be a singing competition at the New Year celebration for all the girls in the village. Oh, Joanna, before I forget, there's some dirt in the rice grains outside. I need you to pick it out now. And after you're done, wash your clothes, start on dinner, and finish sewing your sister's outfits for the New Year celebration. Make sure you make it pretty with lots of designs on it.
Did they say what the prize was?
Joanna, don't tell me you're actually thinking about singing for a competition now, are you?
Well, I don't know.
Joanna, let me just tell you. Take a look at yourself. You're dirty and filthy. You're a nobody with no mother and practically no father because he's always with you. Don't embarrass yourself. And trust me, I'm not letting you or anyone or anything get in the way of bringing my daughter's future with Chanel. Chanel, he's the prize. He's gonna marry the winner.
Oh, I want to.
I want to win. Shh. What?
Oh, Mama, it's hard. Even though you're right here, it's just not the same. I just miss being in your arms. I wish you could talk to me and sing with me. I wish you could hold me and hug me.
you call that cow Mama? And why did you say change back?
That's so weird. Let's go tell Mother. Mother, guess what we heard? We heard Jonah talk to that old cow outside.
Yeah, and you know what? She called her Mama. She said she wished that cow could change back. What did you say?
I think she's crazy. She kept talking to that cow like it actually understood her.
Like it was an actual human before.
But how can that cow be her mother? I think she's just jealous and going crazy because we have a mother and she doesn't.
Her mother, huh? Girls, why don't you go on and practice your singing while I think this over? See, that's why the fathers always taking that cow into the fields. I knew there was something strange about that cow. That's why they're always feeding that cow so good. There can only be one woman in this house. I have to get rid of that cow. But how? I got it. I'll make him kill that cow himself. I'll pretend that I'm so sick to the point of dying, and I'll tell him to go to the big old tree up in the mountains to seek the great spirit for an answer to heal. But of course, we all know that there's no such spirit there. I'll go and pretend to be the great spirit and tell him to kill that cow. That's what I'll do. I'll make him kill that cow himself. I think he's here. I better hurry.
Wow, this is the largest tree I've ever seen. This has to be it. This must be the great spirit of the trees. Oh, great spirit of the trees, can you hear me? Oh, great spirit of the trees, can you hear me? Oh, great spirit of the trees, I beg of you, can you hear me? Please, hear me.
Put your head down. Do not look up. You are small and unworthy. I am great. Put your head down.
Oh, so sorry, great spirit.
You have come here for an answer.
Oh yes, great spirit. You see, my wife is very ill. She has told me to come seek you for the answer. What should I do?
Speak no more. I know why you are here. I know exactly why you are here. Your wife is dying, and you are here to seek the answer to heal your wife.
Oh yes, great spirit. You're very wise. What should I do?
Step back and put your head down.
Sorry, great spirit.
There's only one thing that can heal her.
Oh, great spirit. What is that one thing?
Do you have animals?
Yes, I do have animals. We have one small rooster and one small pig.
No, something bigger. Something like a cow. Do you have a cow?
Yes, I have a cow.
You must kill that cow. The great spirits want that cow. You must kill that cow to heal your wife.
Great spirit, is there another way? She's the only cow I have.
You must kill it at once. Would you rather have your wife die or the cow?
Oh, great spirit, you're asking for too much.
So, instead of your beautiful, loving, and wise wife, you would rather have your beautiful, loving, and wise wife die? You love that cow more than me? I mean her?
voice. It sounds so familiar.
Turn around once! Why are you looking up? How dare you? You've come and I've given you the answer. Now kill that cow and leave me at once, or you should die before your wife.
Oh, Great Spirit, please forgive me. Forgive me. I shall leave now to do what I have to do.
What? Who said she could come with us?
I did finish. I finished everything.
You're lying. I saw my bed this morning and it was a mess. This is what you get for lying.
Here, let me help you. Ew, disgusting. You're full of mud. Jonah, I was gonna let you come with us, but now you're gonna have to go home and change. You can't come to the New Year's celebration with us looking like that.
This is my only dress, and I don't have any other outfit.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then you're just gonna have to wash it. Wait for it to dry and then fix it. You're so good at it. I'm sure it won't even take you that long to patch it up. Oh, poor Jonah. She can't come with us to the New Year's celebration because she's all dirty.
Too bad. She's going to mess on all the fun.
Well, don't just sit there, Jonah. Hurry on. You must know that you should leave now, quickly, before someone comes by and sees us together like this.
Yeah, go home, you dirty pig.
Come on, girls. We have a singing competition, celebration to attend to.
I can't wait to see Chanel. He's so handsome. I'm going to win that same competition.
No, I'm going to win.
I'm going to win. Mingsai, are you okay? Here, let me help you. Ocho, thank you. I'll be okay. I just have to go home to wash up and fix my dress. Mingsai, you don't need to. Here. This is a dress that I made. I was going to sell it at the New Year's celebration, but you can have it. I know it fit you perfectly. Wow, it's so beautiful. That's so kind of you, but you should take it to the New Year and sell it. No, come with me and let me help you. I heard that there's a singing competition for all the young ladies. Will you be singing? I was. No, I won't be singing.
For a girl with long hair and a cape, right? I really don't know, but I'll know when I find him.
There he is. Oh, he's so handsome. I can't wait to be his wife.
I'm going to be his wife.
Welcome everyone. Yajong Satu. I am the chief of this village. Welcomes everyone to join us with the New Year celebration today. Before we start the singing competition, we will be presented by special songs and dances.
have the hat? Did you go to the New Year's celebration?
Well,
Please, I beg you, if you have a hat, show it to us. My friend Shannon here has been searching everywhere for you with his whole heart.
I have only one hat.
What? She's lying. Mother, tell Shanna that Jonah is just lying.
Shannon, look, over here.
Is this your hat?
Yes.
Can you see that on that's in your hand?
Whoa, it fits perfectly.
Shannon's heart is finally complete.
What? How can that be? Shina, do you think your father would approve of this? Just look at her. Think about what everyone in the village would say about you. Your life and reputation would be ruined forever.
Yeah, Dai, I see that she is very dirty.
That's right, she's just a dirty orphan.
So she lets you with you?
Well, I had no choice when I married your father. But hey, it wouldn't hurt to have an extra slave in the house, right?
Yeah, Dai, I hope you know that my father would never approve of this.
I know. I told you he wouldn't approve of you marrying her.
No, I'm talking about the fact that you're keeping her here as a slave. My father would never allow that.
Well, it didn't mean...
In fact, you and your daughter should be punished for mistreating this young lady like that.
Huh? Punished? No!
Please, Shina, I beg of you to forgive them. Even though they have done wrong to me, I chose to forgive them also.
Lingmo, your heart is very kind. In that case, I'll do as you have asked. But please, can you come with me to complete my part? Nitai, I'll also forgive you and your daughters. But just know, if I ever hear this happening again, you guys will be banned from the New Year's celebration. We shall be leaving now. Seems like Shanan's getting married now. So, what about us?
Maybe next year we'll find someone.
I hope so.
Love is patient, love is kind, love never fails. Love is humble, love forgives, and love never fails.
Change every hatred into rays of love.